Good morning, students. Let us continue studying English about structure. Structure. Missing possessive. Missing possessive. Add the missing possessive. Add the missing possessive. Example number 1. This doesn't look blah 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 book. It must be blah blah blah. This doesn't look my book posesifnya yang membutuhkan objek my book. It must be yours. Ya, di sini tidak ada objeknya, jadi it must be yours. Listen. This doesn't look my book. It must be yours. That's right. It must be yours. Pilihnya yang yours. Ada yang membutuhkan objek, ada yang tidak membutuhkan objek. Number 2. Tell him not to forget bla 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 ticket. Di sini udah ada subjeknya him, maka kepunyaannya menjadi his ticket. Tell him do not atau don't. I should say tell him not to forget his ticket. She must not forget hers either. Either di sini bukan kata benda, tetapi ini juga, artinya juga. So you should choose the missing possessive. Listen. Tell him not to forget his ticket. She must not forget his either. She must not forget sis either. She must not forget sis either. Repeat number 2. Tell him not to forget his ticket. She must not forget her either. Number 3. Tell me isn't that your old car? Ini objeknya ada, jadi pilihnya your. Tell me, is that your old car? Your old car. Car sebagai objek, jadinya your old car. Tell me, isn't that? Tell me, isn't that your old car? Number 4. It was very good chocolate, but I have eaten all mine. It was very good chocolate, but I have eaten all mine. Itu adalah coklat yang bagus, tetapi saya sudah menghabiskan punya saya. Kepunyaan saya sudah dihabiskan. Dia bertanya, can you give me a little piece a little piece of? Can you give me a little piece of yours? Ya, pakai yours, milik kamu. Bertanya, can you give me a little piece of yours? Can you give me a little piece of yours?